is life.
I love you all, my friends, because you are polite.
روح بقى ايدك من هنا، تعبت مش عارفه اكتب حاجه منك.
يا عم مش هقعد مكاني، هفضل قاعد هنا. قوم انت، انا مالي.
Could you remove your hand? Oh, sorry. مستر، لازم تفهماني يا مستر. انا مش فاهم لا كلمه منها ولا اي حاجه، لازم تشرحها لي يا مستر دلوقتي.
خد بالك من كلامك واسلوبك مع استاذك، واطلب بابتسامه وادب.
If you are with your friends, if you are with your family, if you are with neighbors, treat with them gently, politely. Don't bother anyone.
Please, sir, I can't understand this. Could you please explain it again? أنا خلصت مذاكرة، هلعب يعني هلعب ودلوقتي.
Don't give your mom instructions.
You should ask her for permission.
Don't give your parents instructions. Ask them for permission, politely.
I have finished studying. Could I play now? Look at him, he's wearing bad clothes.
Don't laugh at anyone. Don't insult anyone.
Don't laugh at your friends. If they are poor, if they are weak, respect all of them. You are polite, and I want you to be more polite. Show me your politeness at school. Take care of your tongue, take care of your actions.
What are you doing? It's mine.
Don't open your friend's bag without permission. Don't touch anything doesn't belong to you.
Don't touch anything doesn't belong to you.
Could you give me a pen, please? With pleasure.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Tell me, my friend. Listen to your friend's problems.
Try to solve them.
Listen to your friends' problems and try your best to solve them.